What I'm doing here is making a incubator from a cool room material. I'm going to use it to hatch queen bees. It's got some parts here. I've got a URS heating cord, Microclimate Microstat 100, a little 12 volt fan I've wired up. Always make sure you get an electrician to wire it up for you. And a temperature gauge which will go inside. Internal holders which I'm going to make out of some angle. Hot rivet that in there. Just going to use cut down an old coin excluder as a shelving. So now I'm just up to the part of setting up a shelf. Hot rivet. Some aluminium in. That should make a sleeve for the shelf to fit into. So I've just put some shelves in. The next step's to lock it all together and then feed the wires in for the incubator, the microclimate, the heat cord, the little fan, and also a temperature gauge. Put it all together. Show you I put a heat cord in, use a bit of heat glue, an LED light in here, a little 12 volt fan, that should do the job. Temperature gauge at the top, microclimate, Microstat 100, should get to 34 degrees. So I put the coin in the Jenna system yesterday and just released her now. She seems to have laid up the cells quite well. I'll get her out of there and more to follow.